Drag the part to the right place. Done! Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the... You're doing really great. We need to wash. Hydraulic hammer. Let's start foaming the machine. Try it on your own. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Try it on your own. We did it!